Alright, I just got this box in from Ballistic Products, BPI. We're going to break it open and see what they sent me. Start off with short shell wide, the green one. Love these things. Mostly use them for clear hulls and attaching slugs to the wad, socket slugs. It's just because they look cool. Clear hull, green wad, powder coated slug. Looks awesome together. TPS 3.5 inch, unslit. Good thing I just got that wad slitter from Gary Caskey. That'll come in handy for these. What's this here? Multi-metal, B grade. These were really cheap. They have a slitting error apparently. Some of them are maybe not fully slit down. I can't see any bad ones so far. They all look great. ITX buffer. That's gonna be cool. I've been wanting to try this out for a long time. I've not seen anyone else use it for buckshot. What else we got here? 10 gauge, 1/2 inch fiber cushion wads. 500 of them. Love those things. 24 gauge nitro cards. Those will come in handy. I've got a trick to show you guys. I can use a 32 gauge hull in a 24 gauge as a 24 gauge wad for extended range lead loads. That should be cool. I'm going to use this underneath the wad, even though it's actually a 32 gauge hull, to give it a good seal. Should make a nice extended range load. And here's something I've been wanting to get for a long time, the CB1138. Holds 1 3/8 ounce of shot and a 2 3/4 inch shell. But I had plans for these with 10 gauge. 12 gauge too, obviously, but that should be really cool. Of course, 24 gauge wads. I was running a little bit low on these, had to stock back up. Well, they were out of these for a while, but they got them back in stock, so I ordered a bag. Probably should have ordered 2, but that's okay. And lastly, 10 gauge nitro cards. Gonna use these for roll crimping and of course, you know, your stack height, over powder, all that good stuff. Should be really cool. Well, that's quite a bit of stuff. I did just place another order for a bunch of hulls. Quite a large order. That's gonna end this one here. Thank you guys for watching.